How to adjust brightness on CapCut. Are you guys facing issues to adjust brightness on your CapCut application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open CapCut on your mobile device. Once you open the CapCut, now select the project that you want to adjust the brightness on. After you open the project, tap on the video. Now look at the bottom of the screen where you can see multiple options. Drag it to the left side. Once you drag it, you can see this option for adjust. Click on it. Now tap on brightness. After you click on brightness, drag the slider to the left side to make a video clip darker. If you want to make it brighter, then drag it to the right side. Once it feels right, tap on tick mark. And that's it, guys. That's how we're going to adjust brightness on CapCut application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.